Is the legend of Atlantis more than just a myth? For centuries, people have been captivated by the idea of a technologically advanced civilization that vanished beneath the waves. This lost city, Atlantis, has sparked countless books, movies, and expeditions. Could there be any truth to the legend, or is it just a captivating story? The story of Atlantis originates from the writings of the Greek philosopher Plato. He describes a powerful island nation with advanced technology and a utopian society. According to Plato, Atlantis existed thousands of years before his time but was destroyed in a cataclysmic event. While many dismiss Atlantis as a fictional creation, others believe Plato's account holds clues to a real historical event. Some researchers point to geological evidence of ancient floods and volcanic eruptions that could have wiped out an entire civilization. Could these natural disasters be the basis for the Atlantis legend? Plato's account of Atlantis, written around 360 BC, is our primary source for information about this lost city. He describes it as an island nation located beyond the Pillars of Hercules, generally believed to refer to the Strait of Gibraltar. Atlantis was a powerful empire with a strong navy, advanced technology, and beautiful architecture. According to Plato, the Atlanteans became corrupt and power-hungry, which angered the gods. As punishment for their hubris, the gods unleashed a series of earthquakes and floods, causing the island of Atlantis to sink beneath the waves in a single day and night. While Plato's dialogues are considered philosophical works, not historical records, some scholars believe they might contain grains of truth. They argue that Plato may have based his story on real ancient traditions or even a genuine historical event passed down through generations. Plato's vivid description of Atlantis, with its concentric rings of land and water, its advanced society and its tragic downfall, has captured imaginations for centuries. It continues to inspire debate and speculation about the possibility of a lost civilization swallowed by the sea. Despite the lack of conclusive evidence, several theories attempt to pinpoint the location of Atlantis and explain its demise. Some researchers believe Atlantis was located in the Mediterranean Sea, suggesting islands like Santorini, which experienced a catastrophic volcanic eruption around 1600 BC, as possible candidates. Others place Atlantis in the Atlantic Ocean, citing the Azores, the Canary Islands, or even submerged landmasses like the Spartel Bank near the Strait of Gibraltar as potential locations. These theories often point to geological anomalies, ancient maps, or underwater structures as evidence. Proponents of the Atlantis theory often cite ancient myths and legends from various cultures worldwide, which describe similar stories of floods and lost civilizations. They argue that these shared narratives might indicate a common historical event that inspired the Atlantis legend. While intriguing, these theories lack definitive proof and are often based on speculation or circumstantial evidence. Critics argue that the lack of concrete archaeological findings and the widespread nature of flood myths across cultures weaken the case for a real Atlantis. Adding another layer to the mystery, some theories propose that if Atlantis did exist, it was deliberately hidden from history. Proponents of this idea suggest that the Atlanteans, possessing advanced knowledge and technology, chose to isolate themselves from the rest of the world, or perhaps even fake their own destruction to protect their secrets. This deliberate concealment could explain the lack of solid archaeological evidence for Atlantis. Supporters of this theory point to ancient texts and oral traditions that speak of hidden knowledge and powerful artifacts passed down through select groups or secret societies. They argue that the Atlanteans, aware of their impending doom, may have preserved their knowledge and technology in hidden locations, waiting for a future time when humanity would be ready to rediscover it. This idea resonates with those who believe in ancient wisdom and lost technologies. However, this theory, while intriguing, relies heavily on speculation and lacks concrete evidence. Critics argue that it's more likely that the absence of proof for Atlantis simply points to its non-existence, rather than a grand conspiracy to hide it. The legend of Atlantis continues to fascinate and inspire, even without definitive answers. While skeptics remain unconvinced, the possibility of a lost, advanced civilization holds a powerful allure, fueling our imagination and prompting us to question what secrets might lie hidden beneath the waves or buried beneath the sands of time. Did Atlantis exist as a real place? Or was it a creation of Plato's imagination, intended to convey philosophical lessons? Was it a technologically advanced society that met a tragic end, or a fictional representation of the dangers of hubris and the destructive power of nature? The mystery of Atlantis endures, reminding us of the vastness of history and the many unanswered questions that still surround our planet's past. Perhaps one day we will uncover the truth behind the legend. But until then, Atlantis will continue to captivate our imaginations, a tantalizing enigma lost to the ages.